Good afternoon, all. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Ravinder sir. Good afternoon, Dalit, ma'am. So we have to start today with question number 5. And let me tell you in advance that tests are not checked of yours. It is only checked of 9th grade. That they have took test of 2 grades. So it is taking a little time. So I hope you will get your report by Thursday or Friday. Test reports. As we have done 4 questions of the exercise 6.3. So we are starting now with question number 5. S and T are points on the sides PR and QR of PQR. No figure is given. We have to make by our own. So make a triangle. Oh my God. So make a triangle PQR. Okay. PQR. Then S and T are the points on the side PR. Here we have one point S and QR. Here we have one point T. And let us join these 2 points. Such that angle P and RTS are equal. Angle P and RTS means this. These 2 angles are equal to each other. It's good afternoon, those who have come now. After that, show that RPQ and RTS are similar. The questions from here now starts very easy. As what is given in the question. It is given that angle P and angle RTS are equal to each other. To prove triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. So we need to prove these 2 triangles similar. After that, start with the proving. Just take these 2 triangles, RPQ and RTS, triangle RPQ in triangle RPQ and triangle RTS. Do we have the things equal? Yes, we have RTS angle. See this angle RTS and angle P equal. It is already given. So angle P of this triangle and angle RTS of this triangle are equal to each other, as it is already being given in the question. And after that, angle R in both the triangles are equal. So in this angle PRQ and in this SRT are equal to each other, as they are common in both the triangles. Therefore, triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS by a similarity criteria. And with this, we can say that it is proved. Simple. So this much only is the proving. I hope this is clear. It is very easy. One angle is given and one angle, this is common. This one angle is common. Note it down. Thakur Das, you are asking when you will tell marks. I have announced in the beginning that tests are not check of 10th. It is only checked of 9th grade. And so you need to wait for 2 or 3 days. Then you will get your marks. Maybe by Thursday. Maybe by Thursday, yes. Yeah. So question number 5 is done. Moving on to question number 6. Students are requested to not come late if you want to understand here. Okay, otherwise it is not possible to make you understand the thing. Now question 6. Triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. Okay, interesting. It's right, given that triangle ABE is already given congruent to ACD. It is not given similar, it is given congruent. And what we need to prove, we need to prove that both the triangles means, no, the other triangles, ADE, we need to prove that ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Okay, so starting with the proving part. It's easy, just listen carefully. As the triangles are congruent, which triangles? ABE and ACD. This ABE and the triangle ACD. So these two triangles are similar to each other. Okay, these two triangles are congruent to each other. Now see this. Since triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. See how to take out now the things to prove the other triangles similar. What we can take out from these two triangles. Right? As the triangles are congruent, that's why AE of this triangle, see this, AE of this triangle and AD of this triangle are equal to each other. So AE is equals to AD by CPCT. Then one more, AB of this triangle and AC of this triangle are similar. So AB of this and AC of this are similar, equal to each other, because again by CPCT. Fine. See again carefully. In this I have took AE and here AD, AE and AD, then AB and AC, then AB and AC from the figures. So AE is equal to AD because the triangles are already, see this triangle is congruent to this, therefore they are equal. Then AB of this triangle and AC of this triangle are also equal, so I have written this. Now writing them again, AE and AD are equal. Now write this, that AD and AE are equal. No, again I am writing that AD and AE are equal and AB and AC are equal. So dividing them. Why I am writing this again? Because no, this AD should be this side and AE should be this side. This AD should be this side and AE should be this side. Why? I'll tell you that. Now divide both. Since AD and AE are equal and AB and AC are equal, so after this we are dividing. So it will become AD upon AB. See this, AD upon AB after dividing both the equations. AD upon AB is equal to AE upon AC. See this, AD upon AB and AE upon AC. AE upon AC. And with the help of these, this division, you can say here the first equation. It will help us in the similarity of the other two triangles. Now, which triangle we have to take? See this, which triangle we have to prove similar? ADE and ABC. So in triangle ADE and triangle ABC. In triangle ADE and ABC, what are the things? See this now, there's triangle ADE and the other triangle ABC. So one this the smaller one, this is the bigger one. So we can write that from first AD upon AB is equals to AE upon AC using equation first, because we have proved here, no? After that, angle A in both are common. Angle A of this and angle A of this are common, equal to each other as they are common. So therefore, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC by SAS similarity criteria. Okay, two sides are in the same ratio and the angles are common. Okay, Kunal. Answers, you have come very late. So note it down. Why we have done this? This you have to just think a little. Because to prove the triangle similar, we need this ratio. AD upon AB and AE upon AC. AD from this, AB from this, AE from this, and AC from this triangle. So that's why. And to prove this, you should think in advance that as I need this to prove the triangle similar, that's why we have to use the congruency criteria. See, congruency is already given. Then by CPCT we can do this. Then rearrange it. Then divide them both. We'll get one condition, and that condition we can write here. Then angle A is common in both the triangles. So in this way, the two triangles are similar to each other by SAS is done. So question number 6 is also done. Moving on to now question number 7. Note it down, be quick. Done. Question number 7 now, which is again an easy question. Just we have to prove similarity again by AA similarity. All these 4 by AA similarity. I have already given you a hint. You can now think on this. Now figure is already given here. Okay. Now in figure 6.38, the figure is given here, where altitudes AD and CE of triangle ABC intersect each other at point P. See, the altitude AD and altitude CE are already made here. AD is perpendicular to BC and CE is perpendicular to AB. It means here it is. Oh, wait, taking time to load. Yeah. So here this angle is making 90. This side also it is making a 90. We can, I am writing here angle 1 and angle 2. If you don't want to write your choice, 1, 2, 3, 4, it is up to you. If you don't want to write that, it is your choice. So I'm just writing these, at least these 90-degree angles, no? Straight. 3 and this as 4. So I've mentioned all these 90s as 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest we'll write the angles. Now see this. These altitudes are given. Then we have to prove that AEP and CDP are similar, right? Given And given, just write that CE is perpendicular to AB and AD is perpendicular to BC. And to prove first, triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. Then triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. Then triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB. Then fourth, triangle PDC is similar to triangle D. Wait, it's all gone. Wait a second. So the last is this PDC similar to BEC. Now proving part. Proof. Just take the triangles and write the angles equal, AEP and CDP. So first triangle is AEP and triangle CDP. So where is AEP and CDP? These are the angles. AEP is the triangle and CDP is the triangle. Here angle 2 and angle 3 are equal because each 90, and rest by vertical opposite angles we can write. Okay, so you can write that angle 2 is equals to angle 3, each 90 degree, and after that we can write that angle APE is equal to angle CPD, and this is by vertical opposite angles. So therefore, see, the proving is very easy. I have told you by AA only. Just they have asked us for proving. That's it. Four times similarity we need to do. AEP is similar to triangle CDP by AA similarity. Note it down. After this, the second. Now in triangle ABD and triangle CBE, just keep on writing one by one and keep on writing the angles equal. ABD and CBE, just see ABD. ABD is full this triangle, and CBE we have the other triangle CBE. See carefully now. ABD, this one, and the other is CEB, this. So these two triangles, how we can prove ABD and CBE? In these two triangles, now we have the things equal. In triangle ABD we have angle 4, which is 90, and in triangle CBE we have angle 1, which is 90. So each 90 degree. And after that, angle B we have in both the angles equal, same. So angle B of this and angle B of this are common. So this is the angle which is common. So angle B is equal to angle B, common. Then triangle ABD, the same way we can say that similar to triangle CBE by AA, similarity. In the same way, one more time. The next third, in triangle AEP and triangle ADB. In these two triangles also we have two angles same. AEP angle 2 we have here 90, and in ADB we have angle 490. So each 90 degree. And after that, again in these two triangles we have one more angle which is common. So AEP and ADB, this means angle A is common. So here we have angle EAP and here we have angle BAD, and these two angle A are common. So means angle A is common. So that's why these two angles are equal to each other. Hence triangle AEP one more time similar to triangle A. So one more time we have proved similarity. Okay, now one more time we have to prove again. There will be one angle, means the pair of one angle 90 degree and one angle will be common. Let us see. Let us check out the fourth. I'm writing this here now. So in triangle PDC, the last is PDC and BEC. So PDC is this the smaller one, and BEC is this the full one. So in PED and BEC we have angle C common, means PCD and ECB. PCD and ECB are equal to each other because they are common. After that, in this angle 3 and in this angle 1, each 90 degree. Therefore, we can say that triangle PDC is also similar to triangle BEC by AA similarity. So this question is just made to practice similarity AA again and again. Note it down. We'll move on to the next question then. Still, it will take 2 more days to complete the exercise. Then we will be able to start the next. Then one more means the 2 weeks, these 2 weeks, this and the next week will be fully used in completion of this chapter. It can be more than that. And now I'll start giving you assignments also. The test which we have took now was easy and was 90, means most of the questions are all from NCERT only. I want to see that are you practicing NCERT or not. Now I'll start giving you some extra questions which will be good for you to do as per board point of view. Okay, on that basis you can prepare. Now every week you will get one assignment of each and every chapter which are left, means from I'll start with chapter number 3. 1 and 2 I have already given. Now then 8th question. Let's do one more right now. Question number 8. Okay, it is here. 8 is here. 8 is here. This. Now no figure is given of this. E is the point on the side AD produce of a parallelogram ABCD. First of all, make a parallelogram ABCD. So ABCD, where AD is produced to point E. So this side is produced so I have produced this line till point E, and BE intersects CD at F. So BE, this line we have to join. They are saying here BE, so we have to make BE. So I've made BE, and BE is intersecting CD at F. This is also written here. That AD is produced and E point is located afterwards, and after that BE is joined and it is intersecting CD at F. Show that ABE and CFB are similar. So what is given? Nothing else, just ABCD is a parallelogram. This is the main thing given in the question. ABCD is a parallelogram. Then to prove that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. Proof. Just take these two triangles directly. In triangle ABE and triangle CFB, do we have anything which we can write equal ABE in ABE and CFB? This triangle full ABE and the other is CFB. So Garv has written, sir, angle A and angle C are equal. So he is right. Why angle A and angle C are equal? Because angle A of this triangle and angle C of this triangle are equal, as ABCD is a parallelogram and opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So we can write that angle A of this and angle C of this are equal to each other because they are opposite angles of parallelogram. Which parallelogram? Of parallelogram ABCD. So opposite angles of parallelogram ABCD will be equal to each other. Therefore, angle A and angle C are equal. And thus we can say that there is formation of Z. There is formation of Z, no? So there is a formation of Z here also, and there is a formation of Z here also, like this. So I am writing here that this angle ABE and this angle CFB are equal to each other because they are making alternate interior angles, as these two lines are parallel to each other. Opposite sides of parallelogram are parallel, simple. So we can write here that angle ABE is equal to angle CFB. Why? Because alternate interior angles. Okay, just write here comma that AB and CD are parallel. So because of this, again AA similarity we have used. So many times we have used now AA similarity. ABE is similar to triangle CFB. Damini is saying, sir, angle E and angle FBC, can't we take this? Yes, you can take these two angles also because they are also making alternate angles. See this Z, and these two lines are parallel. Okay, so we were having the option. So I am just taking two angles. It is not required to take three angles. So with two also we can prove. So we have just written two angles, and ABE and CFB are similar to each other by A. Similarity hence proved. This is done. Now one more question which is required to prove today. then the time will get over. After that, we have right now 9 minutes to get the lecture over. So this question number 8 is done. Write it down. Then we'll move to question number 9. Garv, Sanya, Shashank, Anshul, the cameras are off. So you are not taking care of these things. Nishant is also playing with the camera. Oh, now it's off on. Pratham is now known as the black substance. Nothing is visible on his camera, just fully black. Devansh, Gaurav, Jaspreet, Jigyasu, Keshav, Jasleen. Keshav has always a option, sir. Always he has excuse. Sir, due to some problem, my video is off. Which problem do you have in your phone or in your network that video will only not work? Rest of the day you are calling on WhatsApp. Video calling means maybe you are using sometimes. Okay, now moving on to the next question, which is question number 9. Okay, in you there's a problem. Okay, you have fever. Okay, take care. Okay, so question number 9, ABC and AMP. I think the figure is given. Yeah, this one, the lower figure, this diagram is given. So it is ABC and AMP are two right triangles. So ABC and AMP are two right triangles, which we can see very easily. And right angle at B and M. Okay, find right angle at B and right angle at M. Prove that ABC and AMP are similar. Again, I am able to see by AA, we will be able to prove this, and by CPST means corresponding sides of similar triangles will be proportional to each other, and because of these reasons, we will be able to prove this question. And it is very simple. Even you can go with 10th question at home by yourself. You can try these questions. It is very easy. There is only one complicated question a little bit. Question number 14. Rest all are simple, easy questions. So question number 9 now. Right given. Angle B is 90 and angle M is 90 because the triangles are given right angle triangle. And after that, we will prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. Yeah, by AA they will be similar. That's correct. So this is done. Now second is CA upon PA is equal to BC upon MP. So wait, let me take this all this side. And after this, let us prove in triangle ABC and triangle AMP. In ABC angle B, you should write the full name of this angle because angle B can be this also. Till we should write ABC is equal to angle AMP because both are 90 degree each. And after that, angle A of this and angle A of this, the other, are common, means angle A is common. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP by AA similarity. We prove this, and after that, let us see this part. CA upon PA. CA upon PA. Okay, the parts of the two different triangle, and BC upon MP. BC and MP are the part of the two different triangles. So you can write that this is possible. CA upon PA is equals to BC upon MP. It will match from here also. CA upon PA is equal to BC upon MP, corresponding sides. So by CPSC, hence proved. So the proving is very easy of these questions. Note it down. So Shan Chauhan, where are you sitting? In a ghost house? See this, what is visible, what he has kept on camera, and which photo he has kept as profile pic. So today we can start the next question as it will take time. So note it down, and with this the lecture is over. Rest, complete your notebook. I am going to call for the notebook also. I have given you plenty of time for the same. So take care of these things. Bye everyone. Take care. Lecture is over. Still we have 2 minutes left, but we'll talk tomorrow now. Let's complete this work for today. Harsh Pasricha, I'll make an announcement in the grade then after that. Okay. Probably this week only I'll make the announcement, and then you can by Sunday you can give. Yeah. Regarding the notebook we were talking about. Okay, bye everyone, take care. Yes, in PDF form, Jay. PDF form, no images.